Hello viewers, welcome back in another video. In this video we'll be putting all those animals that live on the farm in the farm section, and all those animals that live in the wild areas in the wild section. So let's start.
Farm or the wild? Farm. Wild. Elephant. Where is animal lives?
Elephant lives in wild area, so it will go in wild area.
Cow.
Cow lives at farm, so it will go in farm.
Dog.
Dog also lives in farm.
Hippopotamus.
It lives in wild areas.
Giraffe.
Giraffe also lives in wild area, so it will go in wild area.
Goat.
Goat lives at farm, so it will go at farm.
Chicken.
Chicken also lives at farm, so it will go at farm. Pig lives at farm.
Monkey.
Monkey lives in wild area.
Rabbit.
Rabbit also lives in wild area.
Duck.
Duck lives at farm.
Lion.
Lion lives in wild area.
Horse.
Horse lives at farm.
Bear.
Bear lives in wild areas. The game is over. We have learned about different animals which live at farm or in wild areas. Thank you.